Hello, I got a gift. So it's a birthday gift from someone. I'm not gonna tell you the name, but it's my cousin. Okie doke. So I open it to save the time. So let's see what's inside. So let's put my camera, iPad. Okay. So right now I'm using iPad to record. So yoo-hoo! My cousin sent me a Sony, what is this? Sony Cybershot DSC-HX80 for vlogging. She said to me that this will help me for my new hobby. Oh my god, what's going on? My camera is tilting. I think the gift is just in time because this iPad is kind of hard to adjust. Okay, I'm going to open it. A manual. Digital still camera. Lots of manual. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. There's a charger. Wait, what happened? Suddenly it's dark. There, can you see? The strap, USB cable, and the Sony Cybershot. Let's see. Wow, it looks good. Oh my god. Look at that. Movie. It has a movie feature. And then what's this? Menu function. Display. Oh wow, it has a display. So now I can see what I'm blogging about. Now I need a mirror behind it. So I can see the display. This is the play button, so you can replay what you shot. This is, it has a delete. It's a garbage icon. It's a trash icon, so it's a delete. And it looks cool. It has a finder. I don't know what's the finder for. This is my first time. Oh my god, it has a Wi-Fi. Can you see that? Focus. There. It has a Wi-Fi connection. I wonder if I can do a live shot, you know. Yeah, I don't know what this is. 30x. 30 times zoom. So, you see, it has a zoom, and then it has, let me see, so it has these features. So I don't know it yet because I just got it, and maybe I'll make a review about it, maybe. But let's see. And then I wonder where you put, oh, here. There's the USB port, and I think this is where you put your battery. This one. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, so you gotta buy a separate battery. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, here, the battery is here. The battery is here. Okay, I want to be careful. Okay, sorry for that lag time. I'm trying to figure things out. There you go. I think you put the memory card here on this slot under the battery, and then you lock it. There you go. And there's a hole for the tripod. I'm gonna get a tripod since I'm vlogging now. And what else? Let's turn it on. How do you turn this on? Here. Oh, there you go. It wants you to set up. So I'll do the setup later. I just want to show you how it looks like. And it, you know, it's heavy. I mean, not so heavy, but it's you know that it's not an inferior product. You know that it is a quality product. It's not, this is metal. This part is plastic. This part is plastic. This is metal. It looks like a speaker, but I don't know yet. I will find that out later. Well, there you go. That's my unboxing of Sony Cybershot DSC-HX80. Wow. Well, thanks, cousin. Oh, yeah, there you go. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate your gift because I can use this for blogging and for my upcoming adventure. Thank you. Please subscribe. Press that button. Subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. No more iPad. I'm gonna use this now. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks to your husband and your very smart kid. Bye-bye. Subscribe.